like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily update videos of new inventory coming in. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk that we're in the process of building. This is a freshwater flood damaged vehicle. The water level appeared to be very low. We checked the engine, we checked the filters. No signs of water inside the motor or in the oil. No signs of rust or corrosion. Pretty clean under the hood. Really nice vehicle. It started right up. The carpets were damp, so we pulled out the seats and the interior and started working on it. So right now, just wanted to show you a little bit of our process of what we do to repair flood damaged vehicles. You gotta excuse the video, it's a little tight. Pulled out the carpets. We'll probably end up replacing the carpets on this to get it right. Do a quick walk around. Body's very clean. Oh, no condensation in the lights. No condensation in the fog lights. All good signs. Water level is very low. Body is very clean. No scratches, no dents. Really nice vehicle. Go back around the other way. Take a look inside. Start in the back. So as you can see, we started pulling apart the interior. No signs of rust or corrosion anywhere. We'll go through all the wire harness, clean everything. You can see there's power. We'll change all the foam, change the carpets, put new ones in, completely dry the interior out. What we tend to do is place a dehumidifier in the vehicle for several days, and we'll run it with the heat just to make sure the moisture is taken out of the vehicle. But as you can see, everything powers up. It does start. 3,600 miles, fully loaded Trailhawk. See, everything's cleaned. All the contacts will be cleaned. It'll be like a brand new vehicle when we're done. We do offer financing on the vehicles that we repair. We'll take it through the New Jersey salvage inspection, and we'll sell it with a rebuild title. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.